So welcome back to the channel, Ham's Views. We're hiking down to Third Vault Falls in Fundy National Park. It's 7.4 kilometers and it's got the highest waterfall in all of the park. Let's go check her out, bud. Yeah, we were gonna do it, but I was like, should we do it if we're already doing this one?
As soon as like he started to stumble, because he didn't have to move. Like it moved the rack away from him.
I didn't bother watching it. Just read the title. Not for me.
Yeah. This is a sick part of the trail though. I like that. In all honesty, when I'm going through the trails, I like more like rocky or cliffier type scenery. I just think it's more beautiful on the eyesight and stuff.
Everybody's coming out. Everybody's coming out.
Oh.
Oh. Your friend's coming.
They seem to follow me wherever I go, eh? So here we are, we're at Third Vault Falls. It's actually a pretty sick spot, really. This is actually a pretty amazing spot. I bet you during May, like earlier in the year, this would all be full of water where he's standing down there. But we're kind of in like a drought, so it's not as epic as usual. Still pretty epic though. So this is the highest waterfall in all the Fundy National Park, Third Vault Falls. Beautiful hike that ends with an awesome waterfall. So there we have it. That's Third Vault Falls. Beautiful little spot. Now it's the trek back out. Oh shit!
That was stressful at the top though. It wasn't too bad going up.
Oh man, you have no. Oh, bud.
It would be at the top.
So there you have it. There's Third Vault Falls. We're on the way out. They said it was a moderately difficult hike. I found it pretty easy. Beautiful scenery, cool trails. There you go. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one, bud.